morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from the Kelco Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open higher. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. On Friday, the Australian share market closed 0.6% higher at 7,629. Westpac has blamed a slowing economy and mortgage competition for its 16% drop in net profit to $3.3 billion for the first half of the 2024 financial year, which was in line with market expectations. The bank said lending margins were squeezed in a competitive banking environment and its net interest margin dropped 7 basis points to 1.89% over the 12 months. Westpac declared a fully franked 15 cents a share special dividend on top of its 75 cents ordinary dividend. The big bank lender also boosted its share buyback by $1 billion to $2.5 billion. Tamboran Resources says it intends to list on the New York Stock Exchange via a US initial public offering of ordinary shares while remaining on the ASX. The company has filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and the listing is expected to occur after registration is complete. Tamboran said the US listing has the potential to improve liquidity and provide access to deeper capital markets that better understand the development of shale gas. Funds raised via the US IPO will fund Tamboran's activity in the Beetaloo Basin. The number of shares to be offered and the price range have not yet been determined. GrainCorp says stronger global competition, lower commodity prices and softer margins have led the company to downgrade its profit guidance for FY24 to between $250 million to $280 million, down from the previously disclosed range of $270 million to $310 million. The company said FY24 underlying net profit after tax was expected at $60 million to $80 million, down from its previous expectation of $65 million to $95 million. The company also blamed drier weather in Western Australia for reduced grain production volumes and margins. Looking to the US markets now, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 1.2%, the S&P 500 gained 1.3%, while the Nasdaq Composite rallied 2%. European markets closed higher. London's FTSE added 0.5%, Frankfurt gained 0.6% and Paris closed 0.5% higher. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes.